Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So you probably recognise the setup is very similar to the video I uploaded a couple of days ago, my update video on where I've been. And that is because I'd finished recording that video and I was just about to start packing everything up. And then I thought, you know what, let's start working through some of these parcels that I've had built up. So I'm going to do some unboxings in today's video. And also I really wanted to let this candle, this large candle here, burn down for a little bit longer. And I didn't want to have to put it out and carefully try and move it and put it somewhere out the way. So I thought, you know what, I'll film a couple more videos and then I'll slowly catch up on all of these parcels that people have sent me. Right, so let's start with this one. Now this one was actually hand delivered by APM. I came home from work the other day and Mrs. 365 said APM pop round, and well, she didn't say APM, she said his actual name, but she said APM pop round and he dropped this off for you today. So really cool, a nice surprise to come home to. It says to 365, have a great Christmas, all the best APM, and it's also got a message on this side. To 365, have a great Christmas and thank you for your continuous support, APM. So really cool, really generous. For those of you that haven't seen APM's channel, I will link it in today's video description. But he's only been making content on YouTube for around about 3 months, I want to say, 2-3 months. And he's already a massive member of the community. He's always in the live streams, he's always in people's comment sections. He's just such an involved, prominent figure already in such a short space of time in the stacking community. So it's really great to have APM in the UK stacking community. And like I said, I actually know APM outside of YouTube as well. I've known him for many years. We've grown up together. So yeah, really nice to kind of have him in the YouTube stacking scene as well. And everyone seems to really love him and support him, what he does, and vice versa. He's always supporting everyone else's videos and all the rest of it. Open last, I forgot to put in. Okay, so we'll open that one last. Right, let's have a look how this big candle's getting on. Has it come down any? No, not yet. I'm waiting for this big candle to get down to a nice height. We want it around here, don't we, really? So we can see the flame. Right, okay, so let's go and do this one first. Let's see. Oh, look. That was literally like opening the Willy Wonka chocolate bar that had the golden ticket in it. As soon as it opens, you can just see the gold shimmering through. So generous, APM. I can tell what that is already. It's a gold back. APM has actually already sent me a gold back in the post and it actually got lost. He sent me one a few weeks back and it actually got lost. So very generous of him to send out another one. Wow, there's loads of stuff in here. Wow, look at all this. It's like Christmas already. Right, so we have a gold back. Really cool. Absolutely love gold backs. I've got one in the back of my display permanently. Got is that a 51 there? Really cool. I think it's a great concept. Sound money, real money, actual spendable gold. Really cool. So we'll add that to my gold pack collection. Thank you very much, APM. I appreciate that. Very kind of you. You've got, he's got another sticker. That's really cool. So APM stickers up to now have been like an oval shape. I actually really like that. I actually think I prefer this. Now, I did actually prefer his oval ones before because I thought it was different. They stood out. It was something a little bit different. Everyone kind of goes for the circle stickers and his being oval made them really stand out. But I think with his logo, the way his logo is and the way that he's kind of got a logo that has circle kind of lines on it, I think it actually looks better now seeing it like this. It looks better like this. That looks more, I think it looks more professional actually. So at the moment I've got everyone's stickers and letters and everything else. I've got them all in a big monster box. That's where I store them at the moment. But yeah, thank you very much APM for the sticker. And what have we got here? We have got some copper. Now I think this is the Aztec calendar. And I haven't actually got this coin yet. I haven't got it in silver. I know a lot of people have this coin in silver. But this looks so cool. Look at all the detail. There's actually so much detail on these coins. So much going on. It's one of those coins that you could get a magnifying glass and you could sit there for ages just studying it and looking at all the intricate pictures and patterns. Really, really cool. I didn't know they did them in copper as well. 1 ounce 999 fine copper. Really nice that it's in a capsule as well, because all my other copper coins are in these normal capsules. I haven't got any the foam inserts. They're all kind of like that, so it's quite nice to have it in a capsule. I've never been a massive fan of the foam inserts, just because I'm not sure how it would affect a coin over time, whether it would make it tarnish unnaturally. But with copper, it doesn't matter as much. It looks really, really nice. It looks nice and really makes it pop in that capsule, so that's really cool. And what have we got here? This one looks cool. What have we got? We have a dragon. Look at that, it's like a dragon in like a dragon's lair. Really, really cool. What have we got on the other side? A tree, a deer, and is that a snake at the bottom there? Wow, really, really nice design. What a gorgeous looking copper coin. I haven't seen this one either. So these are new to my collection of copper coins. For those of you that are long-term subscribers, you'll know that I have a real soft spot for copper. I don't think it's going to make me rich. I don't think it's even necessarily going to hold its value compared to what I spent on it, because it's got a very high premium when you're buying it in bullion form. But I do think it's a guilty pleasure of mine, and I really, really like the colour of the metal. And still, it's better buying things like this than wasting your money on takeaways or designer clothes or anything else that is 100% not going to go up in value. At least this will slowly, as the charts have shown us over many, many years, potentially go up in value. And here we have a precious metals poker chip. Very, very nice indeed. APM with a tiger on the back. I'm actually getting quite a nice collection of poker chips now. I really like that. It looks really great that you've gone for black and it matches black on black. And that's a really cool tiger design as well. APM, that is really cool. Where have my other poker chips gone? I think I have like 4 or 5 of them now in total. Let's have a look. We've got 7 stacks. Stephen with the freeze for the ease. And we've got My Silver Journey, the one that hasn't yet made its way into a river. So yeah, really cool. And I've also got one of my own ones there. So I've got a nice little collection of poker chips now. If you've got a poker chip and I haven't yet got one, please send me one. I'm happy to refund the postage over if it's coming from abroad, but it'd be so nice to have a few more poker chips in my collection. Right, now what have we got here? So this says open last. So much stuff, APM. You don't have to send me so much. Well, you don't have to send me anything, but you definitely don't have to send me the amount of stuff you've sent. It's really, really generous. It is literally an early Christmas present. Wow, wow. This is from Silver Angel. So what has he had made? Addicted to Precious Metals Bespoke Round. Oh, wow. So he's actually gone. You kept that very quiet. You never told me you was looking into getting some channel rounds made. Such good packaging when you order from Silver Angels. Really, really nice. These will make great birthdays or Christmas presents. The packaging is just so classy. Makes you feel like you've gone to really, really expensive jewellers and brought something. Wow, look at that. Addicted to Precious Metals since 2023. Wow, those stars around the edge look fantastic. What a great touch. That logo actually looks amazing on a silver coin. Or should I say round? Wow, that has come out really, really nice. And what have we got on this? Oh, look at that. A tiger. got the hallmark down there at the bottom right. 1 ounce of fine silver. And there's Silver Angels pouring.co.uk, that's their website. Shout out to them, they've made some gorgeous pieces. I've got a round that Cobra Stacker had made by them himself as well. I think CPM got himself some rounds made up, channel rounds made up as well. Really, really cool. Really love the presentation that they come in. Feels so premium. What a gorgeous piece. APM, thank you so much. I know when you buy things like this and you have them bespokely designed and all the rest of it, they do contain quite a premium, so I really, really appreciate that. That's so generous. Let's have a look what we've got here. Last but not least, open last. I forgot to put in what do we have in here? It really does feel like Christmas come early. So many bits. This will be the COA, I'm guessing. Yep. Hand poured fine silver. Certificate of authenticity. Bespoke APM round. Minimal 1 troy ounce. It probably weighs slightly more. Mintage is open. 39's fine. And hallmarked. Really, really cool. What a fantastic mail call, APM. I keep saying it through the whole video. Very, very generous of you. Thank you so much. So much to go through. A bespoke 1 ounce round. Got a gold back. One of his new stickers. Got his poker chip there. And where have those copper bits gone? There they are. And 2 copper 1 ounce rounds as well. So really, really cool. Really, really generous. Thank you ever so much. Please go head over and show APM some support. Do subscribe to his channel if you aren't already. He makes some great content. He's a very, very new stacking channel. He's only recently started stacking precious metals, but he already has a huge collection. And it's nice to see someone that hasn't got loads and loads of knowledge about stacking. And he's not one of these people that pretends he has loads of knowledge about stacking either. So he's very open. When you see him on live streams and even when he's making his videos, he doesn't try and pretend that he's been stacking for years and he knows fully why he's stacking and all the benefits and what's the best thing to buy and all the rest of it. He's very open about that. He's still learning and he's still very open to learning new things, and he's still really trying to find his feet. He started off as a stacker, and he's very quickly moved into a collector, and he really does like his premium pieces, similar to most YouTube channels really. Same as kind of Cobra's journey. He started off as a stacker, moved over to a collector. Same with CPM really. He started off as a stacker, buying Britannias and things like that, and now he kind of prefers the more premium pieces. And I think that's how it goes, especially when you've got a YouTube channel, because it's nice to showcase new and exciting things on the channel. Now I was going to unbox a few more parcels in the next video, but I am going to have to wrap it up there because my voice is going and my throat is really starting to hurt now. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell my voice is croakier than normal. So we're going to wrap it up there. But APM, like I said, thanks very, very much. Thanks to everyone that's watched my videos. Really appreciate all the support. And I hope you all have a very nice day.